Hi, this is section 3 of the free SAT practice test 1 from College Board, and I'll show you how I go about solving all 20 questions in under 10 minutes. Let's get started. Question number 1, if x minus 1 over 3 is k and k is 3, so that means x minus 1 is 9, x is 10, d. I is sum of, so collect like terms, negative negative 1 plus 12i. So that's A. On Saturday afternoon, Armin sent M text messages each hour for 5 hours, and Tyrone sent P text messages each hour for 4 hours, which the following represents the total number of messages sent by Armin and Tyrone on Saturday afternoon. So that would be 5M times 4 plus 4p. Answer is C. Kathy is a repair technician for a phone company. Each week she receives a batch of phones that need repairs. The number of phones she left fixed at the end of each can be estimated with the equation P108 minus 23D, where P is the number of phones left and D is the number of days she has worked that week. What is the meaning of value 108? This means she will complete repairs. No, she starts each week with, yes, B. Number 3, which of the following is equivalent to the expression above? So collecting like terms. So 2x squared y, the minus plus, so the 3 y's cancel. So the y squared term cancels out, 0, so we shouldn't have any. So it's C. A pediatrician uses a model above to estimate height h of a boy in inches in terms of the boy's age A and years between ages 2 and 5. Based on the model, what is the estimated increase in inches of a boy's height? So it increases each year by 3 inches, so it's A. The formula above gives the M needed payoff loan of P dollars at R% annual interest over N. Which of the following gives P in terms of M, R, and N? So this is simply rearranging equations. So keep P on and then multiply M, 1 plus R, 1200, N minus 1 over R, 1200, 1 plus R, 1200 to the power of N. So the answer is, which one is that? Whoops, I forgot a bracket here. M. So that would be B. If A over B is 2, what is the value of? So B over A is 1 over 2, and then times 4 is 2. What is the solution xy to the systems of equation above? I'm gonna multiply the second equation by 2, so you have negative 2x, just changing it so that it's easier to see, 38, and I'm going to subtract, so 5x is equal to 15, x is 3, so the only possible is PB. For the function g defined above, a is a constant and g4 is 8. What is the value of g negative 4? Well, x squared, when you plug 4 in, it's going to be 16, and when you plug in negative 4, it's still going to be 16, so the answer has to be the same, so it has to be A. And the equations above, B and C, represent the price per pound in dollars of beef and chicken. X, respectively, X weeks after July 1st during the last summer. What was the price per pound of beef when it was equal to the price per pound of chicken? So simply setting the two equations equal to each other, like so. Move the number to the other side, so 6 is equal to 0.15x, x is 4, so at 4 you plug it in, so 1.75 plus 1.6 is equal to 3.35, the answer is D. A line in xy plane passes through the origin, so this is the origin, slope of 1/7, so y is equal to 1 over 7x. Which of the following points lie on the line? Just plug it in, 0, no, 1, no, no, D. If x is greater than 3, which of the following is equivalent to that? So this is simply rearranging equations. I'm going to do it off to the side here. So I'm going to multiply. I'm going to put this as the common denominator and multiply. So basically I'm multiplying the first fraction by x plus 3 over x plus 3, and second equation by x plus 2 over x plus 2, like so. And then it becomes 1 over 2x plus 5, x squared plus 5x plus 6. And since it's 1 over, it just flips. So that's what I get. and the answer is B. 3x minus y is equal to 12. What is the value of, okay, so I'm going to rearrange the equation for y. That means y is equal to 3x minus 12. I'm going to plug it in, 2, 3x plus 12, and I'm going to use exponent law, so 2 to 3x, 2 to 3x plus 12, and whoops, that's minus, so 2 to the 3x over 2 to the 3x minus 12, so that's, you can cancel those out, so 1 over 2 negative 12, so 2, 12, a. If ax plus 2 bx plus 7 is 15, x squared plus cx plus 14 for all values of x, and a plus b is equal to 8, what are the two possible values for c? Well, then a, b, because they have to add up to 15, multiply to 15, add to 8, a, b is 5 and or 3. So for values of c, if it's 5x plus 2 and 3x plus 7, then I get 5, 7, 35x plus 6x is 41x. So 41 is one of the answers, and that's the only one, so D is the answer. Next question. If t is greater than 0, t squared minus 4 is 0, what is the value of t? So difference of squares. Yeah, so t is equal to plus or minus 2, but since it's greater it has to be than 0, it has to be 2. A summer camp counselor wants to find the length x in feet across a lake as represented in the sketch above. The lengths represented by AB, EB, BD, and CD on the sketch were determined to be 1800 feet. So this is 18, and then EB is 14, and then BD is 700, and CD is 800. And they're saying segments AC and D intersect at B, and AEB, angle ABB is equal to angle CDB. What is the value of X? So this is just a similar triangles question. If you look, that's X, that's 1400, that's 1800, and the other triangle is, that's 800, and then that's 700. So simply I'm multiplying by 2, so I'm multiplying this by 2 to get X, so it has to be 1600. According to the system's equation of O, what is the value of X? I'm going to multiply the first equation by 2, and then leave the second equation, and then I'm going to subtract, so X is equal to 7. 7 is the answer. In a right triangle, one angle measures x degrees, where sine of x is equal to 4 over 5. What is a cosine of 9? Actually, sine of, you can just memorize this identity. Sine of x is equal to cos of 90 minus x, so this is also going to be equal to 0.8 or 4/5. If a is equal to 5 root 2, 2a is equal to root of 2x. Let's just plug it in. So 2 times 5 root 2 is equal to x. So that's 10 root 2 is equal to root 2 x. And if I bring the 10 in, that means 2 times 100 is equal to root 2x. So x is equal to 100. Done. So how long did that take? That was under 10 minutes. So this is how you solve one full math section in under 10 minutes. Thanks.